Deep inside this forest, two lovers built a home that almost nobody knows exists.
But underneath the ground is their entire little world. They built this place together, one piece at a time.
Every morning begins quietly, surrounded by nothing but forest. Today, they decide to prepare something special for dinner. They gather everything they need from their simple surroundings. Then they bring their ingredients back to their hidden home.
The secret to tonight's meal starts with these simple ingredients.
And the main ingredient is fresh mutton. They cook slowly, just the way they like it. First come the spices. Then golden onions add the first layer of flavor.
Tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and spices turn it into a rich masala.
Finally, the mutton goes in.
But for them, dinner isn't really about the food. It's about having someone beside you. They let the meal cook slowly, giving every flavor time to develop.
Above them, the forest keeps moving. I am so glad that we are here tonight.
While below the ground, their little world stays quiet.
After hours of slow cooking, it's finally ready.
The smell fills their entire underground home. They set the table for two. No restaurant, no luxury, just them. And somehow, it feels perfect. As the sun disappears behind the trees, that they realize how peaceful their strange little life has become. The forest becomes completely silent. And beneath the ground, two people continue building a life together.
Maybe you don't need a big house to be happy. Sometimes you just need the right person beside you.